Okay, so welcome to my dear students and learners. So we are in this course we are learning about the um, machine and deep learning. Basically, as I told, uh, we will be learning the convolutional neural network, which is a part of deep learning that is using uh, MATLAB because we can avoid some detailed code. But this part I will go slight slowly. First, I will show you the output. Then, in the subsequent lecture, I will explain the code and all. So, let me open the MATLAB. So, before that, uh, I will show you one thing. This is the MATLAB. I have 2022 versions. Then uh, I'll go to this toolbox. Then I'll go to here. Then here. Then I'll go to the data set and the digit data set. You see here some images are there already. Once you install the MATLAB, automatically this folders will be there. So each folder here 1000 item it will be there. See here 1000 in different form. Then here also 1001 it will be written like this. Okay, so this is 1000, 1000, 1000. So if you see the here every folder having 1000s of digits. Okay, so using this, basically I'm going to train one convolutional neural network. So as I told, once you will be writing these things in Python or in Jupyter, so there you have to use the standard convolutional neural network library, which is called Keras. So let me show you that. So this is the so if you go to the example and if you see there, this is the same thing. So here you see this is the convolutional network to recognize, to classify or to read the handwritten digit. So first you need to read the data, means you have to prepare the data as we learned all these things in machine learning part, that first you have to load the data set, and from there you have to segregate the training data and test data, and from there you have to train the network, then you have to validate the network. Okay, so the same thing if you see here. So this all the syntax and everything I will explain slowly, but today just I will show you how to built a how to build a convolutional neural network in MATLAB. And you see, this is the in Keras you have to write. These are the basic syntax. So you have to create the layers, and with the layer you have to train the network. Okay, with various arguments and parameters based on your requirement, and which will decide the accuracy of your network. Okay, so this just I am showing. I will nothing to worry to see this, because I felt that if I start from the beginning itself, I start the code explanation, this session will be boring. So what I feel, that first I will show you very quickly that what is the output, what I am trying to do. Then one by one, if I explain it, the syntax, then it will be much more interesting and you will not feel bored. Okay. So the basically this is the Keras, using the Keras library. These are the syntax to train a convolutional neural network to uh, classify or to identify a handwritten digit. So this is the simple. First you load the data, then you split the data set for training and testing. Then you build the model. Once the model is built, you train that, and using that train network you identify a particular input or the image. Okay, so already I have uh, written it. So let me open the MATLAB. So here first I have to read the image. So this is one already one script, small script I written. So this is, if you open it, simple. You see, I have first line as I've written the path. Then I have stored all the images in somewhere else, in one variable, and then I am reading the image. So 1200. So what it will be if I run it? So each folder having 1000. So 1200 means it should be one. So let us see. So you see, it is one. So if you put it is say 2300, uh, 2300, so it will be 1000. Up to 1000 it will be 0, up to 2000 it is 1, then it should be 2. You see, it is showing 2. Okay, now in the same way I have written a code for a neural network, for to define a neural network. So this, all these things simple I have followed here. So I have defined the layer, and then making the training the model, all these things simple. I will explain in the, as I told, first I will show you the output very quickly. So this is, I am defining the layer for that uh, particular CNN. Then I am defining the training options. uh, then I am training a network called NET with the details or the parameters whatever I have defined here. This in the next lecture, what I will do, I will explain each syntax and what it stands for, so that you can understand everything. It should be very clear to you, because using these things you can, as I told, once the course it will be over, so I'll be giving you an assignment to recognize particular image or something like that. So already we are familiar with, I think in the some previous lecture I have given you one idea about the AlexNet. and that it's a pre-trained network, uh, 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 like your Alexa, you are asking that Google Alexa. So similar way, here also in MATLAB there is a pre-trained network is called AlexNet, and using that AlexNet, how to classify a particular object. I have shown you in the previous some lecture that one dog, golden retriever dog image, it is passing through that AlexNet, and it is returning the particular species of the object. So here also I have first build the mm, using that all images that 0 to 9, which already I have loaded here using this, and it's kept in a very well called IMDS, and that all the data I have used to train the network, and this is the definition of the layer. In some lecture you have seen the neural network layers, and it's how to train it, and its internal structure you have already seen. Then that is defined in this section, and this is the training option, how it will be training, it will be done. Okay, and using these two arguments we are training a network, and given the name is net. So now once you run it, it will be training the network, and graphically you will be able to see the training progress. So it's very simple nowadays, all the codes and its syntax available in the internet. So I have taken the reference of this website here, everything it is written simple. I have simply I have modified it as per my requirement, and I am showing it to you. But nothing to worry to see that much junk code and syntax. I will clarify all the line by line, so that it will be very much easy to understand for all the learners. You see, so it is training. It is in progress. It is showing how far it is going towards the desired uh, accuracy level. You can see it will take some time based on your computational capability of your system or laptop. If your RAM is high, then it will be this learning process will be very quick. See, it is going towards the accuracy. This kind of here we are handling. So how many data are there? So I think I have taken 60% data to train that. So total 10,000. Total 10,000 images will be there. First it will be converted into it's a grayscale image. It will be converted into a particular uh, so particular. So you see, it is getting trained. 1 minute, somebody is texting me. See now the training, it's final, it is completed. So the validation accuracy it reached up to 91.83%. So now we can close it. Now let us see, this image is say 2300 2300th image. It will be 2 actually. It is 2 actually. So now we know already the command classify, then same as AlexNet. So net comma my image. If you see, then you see it is a, the train network is returning the value as 2. You can take other value, say it is 6745 image. So first we'll see what is that particular image. So you see it is a numeric digit 6. So now if you classify it using my trained network, uh, and you can see it is returning as 6. So my uh, network is, so this is the way to create a CNN in MATLAB, which is same as Keras. So just I am avoiding that things because we can avoid slight, uh, because in MATLAB so many things are inbuilt, so we can avoid detailed code, writing the code. Okay, so this was all about today's class. I will be explaining, as I told, in the next class I will be explaining all the line here. This two code I will be, in the next class I will be detailing these two codes. Okay, so hope you have understood that how a CNN can be trained and how it is used to recognize a particular image in this particular example. So thank you so much. Thanks for your patience.